break. Now, still the original Naija station, NaijaFM 102.7. Now, you still they listen to. We say maybe we use just some few minutes to take drink water and to wait for the first voice. We don't stuck inside traffic right now. So for all those people with inside traffic, no worry. As long as you do on top the right dial, of course, the right dial and the NaijaFM 102.7, you no get problem. You go make sure say be stuck in traffic, you know, be seen, and we go make sure say your day to go city where there. And right now, yes, the ASAP one of NaijaFM, Lady JJ, she don't enter inside the studio. And I will say if you carry the violence where just you understand, if you carry them back on here right now, so that everywhere will be hot. We will call the firefighters. Say firefighters, where are you people? But
where the fire? Where the fire day?
You know the fire now. The fire day earlier on.
Don't see any fire. I just try. I just address within they needed to be addressed.
Well done, Mr. Addresser.
We move forward.
You don't tell me the addresser. You know to address anything. You don't address anything.
Baba don't
you
wear.
You don't wear the jacket. You know they address anything. You don't attack.
You can see the way. You can see the way I'm dressed. I'm actually addressing you.
Come on, make I hear what. If you want to address something, na jeans this coach you go where to address.
Back in the States, that's how we.
Well done, Mr. States.
You know we
not
grew
the
up
only
in the
states, na local government.
Mr. Roller.
You don't behave like person wey come from states.
Like Edo State.
I beg you keep quiet there.
You know the weather over there is a bit cold. Different from
what
Lagos.
Are you saying? Which one they talk? Which one they talk? That Baba Blue now he resemble you where? Now that spirit then they on top
Lady J, learn to calm down.
You man, learn to calm down. You man, you. Now you suppose.
You see how they talk to you right now.
Oh my God.
You see
the thing with RnB.
Yeah.
RnB go find trouble. Then only he go start to act like the victim. When you see everybody don't boss, he go say,
no. That naturally you. That naturally you.
No, it's not like that.
If you understand my type of personality, you will know. Say
I need to write JAMB and GCE. Go enter university. Go understand.
No, you see, and you don't they play victim. Now only you by yourself don't talk say.
God.
You know if you understand me by yourself, you get. But what I'm trying to say is that. When you get some things, you just address and sharp.
What you address?
Sometimes, man. Not be everything, Not be they do on top. You get. Sometimes you let something blah.
Why you know alarm blah?
Because anytime you see I put mouth for something. Now something where you need to address.
When don't Mr. Addresser?
See, you see Becca as my colleague now, also my co-host. 99% of sometimes, she they do something you throw away face. You get me, but you get something where you tell her, hey, you do this, you do this.
In my own case, now everything you did throw yourself for inside. If I sit down like this, Lady J, why you sit down like this? If I stand up, Lady J, why you stand up?
Becca,
if I wear this one, Lady J, why you wear this one? If I do this one, Lady J, it just feel like say.
Okay, hold on. So Becca, sit down.
Make I finish. RnB, if he reach me, you know they throw away face. Now everything, it be like say you get this once you see me. Look for Lady J trouble. Nine be your mission. This morning, okay, make I give you a classic example. I sit down my own. They do my work. You come out. You not tell no good morning, nothing. You gonna drag my name inside conversation where I don't even know Genesis and Revelation about. What did I do you at that moment?
In the morning?
Me. Yes.
Oh
I don't remember.
You see?
Okay, so what happened as I come outside from this studio, everywhere was stuffy. So I don't even open my mouth or breathe. So first thing, what I go do? I go look for body spray. The place was very stuffy, and I think the one other person did it. So I go look for body spray. Don't be I do. Then when I come outside, now that time I can't talk to me. I can't spray everywhere.
Before that time.
Everywhere.
Before that time.
That one said the place was tough. You have to go down, go up. Now even BB can't give me body spray, which I can't spray. And always she can't ask me, say, why you this? I said, this place is really this stuff. I can't honestly come up with that door down, make fresh air till enter because the door was closed. You get me? No, with me and you talk.
Before that time. So he get why I think the Becca did there. I don't know what bring about that discussion. You can't drag me for inside. See,
Becca, you remember?
Yes.
What is that?
I remember.
Okay, for disrespect, respect.
Yes.
You
can't drag me inside.
Yeah, where me and you they talk now for party room.
But now me and you they talk. Now she enter inside. Come ask what
Now you put me inside. You see? You look for my trouble.
I put your name that time.
Yes.
Why you
look for my
trouble? When I say you're just a troublemaker, why you put my name?
You see now?
I don't remember. But if by any means I measure your name, it was of great necessity.
Which necessity?
To make measure of your name.
You make mention of waiting now. You see your life.
But more let peace reign for these few minutes. You get me?
I pray. Yeah. I really pray for that peace. So. I pray because you.
But see, just as I did talk, so Becca sit down. Her dress design, they a little bit. What did they call this? A flower design, right?
No, like cord lace.
Cord lace. So her tight construct. Cause Becca, if you wear this, you're not supposed to allow your tight. I can't even judge you now to push her hand. Push your tight. If now you I do that thing now. What did Becca do? Becca, as I did not, Becca come by herself, come rearrange, come sit down well, come address herself well. If now you I do that thing. The whole Lagos for their place.
Why you go put
RnB? Oh. Hey!
RnB, why you go put your hand inside my cloth?
I not put it.
Why you won't do them? Simply tell me to adjust the dress. I go adjust cloth.
Okay, now this one be going corner. Push your cloth up, Jare. That was yesterday too. He not quarrel with me. So if you notice, out of every 10 ladies where they talk to, they adjust or address, maybe they dress well or position well. Not let you they get problem with that because you feel everybody they fight you.
So what
the same time I can say,
first of all,
this is your stuff. Before he said no, leave him.
RnB, my problem with you, I don't.
You fear everybody they fight you.
I don't tell you this so many times. I say they give very bad impression about me, and I go change up today. I don't tell you. Time to that number. Say your manner of approach. They very very rude.
Now why they give am one?
Yes, I don't tell you. It gets many ways where you put your points across without making that person feel one kind. And you know that you never learned this lesson for once.
No, now you the take
Make I finish.
Wow,
you they refer to last week Friday. Becca na woman like me. I enter this place. I ask you question. I ask you. I
no more not talk that thing.
No. You bring them up so we go finish.
No, I not bring them up.
Becca, yes. I ask you. I say, waiting do my hair. Waiting you tell me. You say, you put something inside. I say yes. I say, but with time, it go absorb.
Yeah.
It go enter. Which actually happened because by the time I come up forward, nothing there again. Instead, you make some very, very derogatory statements at me, like say I did
derogatory.
I not gonna mention anything you talk about.
You know, see, go back to the jam. It doesn't want to go back again. What if derogatory? What I said was that okay. First of all, Lady J, this is a workspace.
So what did I do?
Where you were sitting, now where visitors go come, they go sit down before they go enter studio.
So
all sorts of people, apart from us when they here, when they see you, which we don't know you who you be already. Those other people don't go understand why you go put that kind of thing for hair, for a workspace. That kind of thing when they do, if you're not day salon or you're not day house, you're not supposed to do that kind of thing because it was visible.
What do you think?
If it was not visible, right now, I know when you go put for it, when you don't go see her until you touch her. But that was and see what I talk. Lady J, what if this thing?
That's not the way you talk. That's not the way you talk. You did bring down your voice now, but I know how you sound that Friday.
Now original voice be that.
You see your problem. You want to make I accept you for who you are. You don't ever accept me for me who I am.
My own who I am, they affect who you are.
Because you don't make up your mind. Say you don't go ever understand me.
Personality they clash.
That's not your problem. You want me to accept you. Wait first, make I finish. You want make I understand you. You want make I accept you. You on your own, which effort you don't make to understand me and accept me for me? Tell me.
So may I leave you? May you do what you do on my life? May I not correct you?
No, he ask you question. She ask you question. Ask her now.
A lot. Now, may I you they communicate?
RnB. Let me tell you something.
So over the weekend, maybe you go enjoy yourself for a beach. See, I've been want to talk yesterday, but I hold myself to not talk. That is me accepting who you are because when you did that beach, only you wear trousers, wear big polo, they jump on top water. I love the water. I love the water. I don't make example. I make example.
Because yesterday,
let me look. I said, why will somebody be in a beach with trousers?
Can you imagine? I roll the trouser up, it no do you.
Hold on now.
Anything where I do, anything where I do na wahala.
I say I can't work yesterday. That's why I shot my mind. I say let me accept you.
But you don't bring them. No, you don't bring them.
Because you say me I make an example of when I just say accept who you be.
No, so that video now enough to know.
Because I get to understand. Say yes, you be you. Even though say you go beach,
I not go
now trouser, you go dance, you go jump up.
RnB.
I mean understanding you.
It's your business be that. If you don't fit accept me for who I am, now you sabi.
I just made an example of me accepting you for who you are.
The last time when I go beach, you wear buluku go beach. You report me to everybody.
This time not complain.
This time around, okay, I carry the trouser go up now. Enjoy myself for beach. You're not even happy saying.
But I love the Indian dance though.
Wait, you not enjoy anything because if you enjoy the first thing you for compliment me.
No, because if I compliment you for be quarrel. See, yesterday my mom they pay me to that's why they do my swallow around because if I talk you for 5 minutes like that, I tell back I say the first thing I want to do now to complain. Then again, because if I do this thing, they'll just go fight me or if you not take on the way they come from. So that make when you say me I make an example, I refer to that. Say, oh, see, even when I say I not really talk about that, this mean okay, I watch you as normally me not go do Becca not go do this now lady.
I not be Becca.
So you know they hear me. See now, you know they look for faults now for where not for shot. I know they make an example say
where they look for the
that's me.
Hall different
from Balablo.
Ulaba.
This now the 12th generation.
This star don't they different from a Ulaba.
I bet more move to family meeting.
Family meeting. Now RnB know they hear.
Classic.
Now RnB know they hear what.
This love our family.
Now RnB know they hear what. RnB too like they fight me.
I know they fight you.
You they fight me, RnB.
You too they fight me. I don't fight you.
You too they fight me.
Baby girl, I know they fight you.
You they fight me.
She just prefer.
Baby girl, see compliment. You don't do ow.
No, they call me. No, they call me.
You go compliment and not do ow.
No, they call me baby girl when they fight me. Because I know how
see now Becca on behalf of you do
relate with other ladies in here.
Baby girl.
I know how you they pamper them. I know how they treat them. I know how they compliment them.
Okay, you know what you do for me?
The first thing when you see me, now fight. If you say the woman will get belly, I understand. But a man you be.
Now the belly don't go down. Jim don't make her go down.
Becca share this story.
All right. Before we pack our kayak over from inside the studio, you all know say CBN don't give deadline to the old note for January 31st. So you get one family where we say, their daughter they do wedding. As usual, the groom say, okay, make carry money as bride price, go and give them. They say so the family reject the old naira note.
Wait, you say waiting.
The family of the bride,
the old naira
they reject the old naira note from the groom. Say they don't want that kind of money. Make them use them as a bride price or to bring her even close to them. So a family for inside Bako, LGA of Naija State, they don't ask one suitor say, may you go back with the old 1,000 naira note where you carry join body plus 500 naira note too. Say they no go collect. Now Daily Trust report say the family of the suitor they took an undisclosed amount to the family of the woman as bride price and money for other stuff. They go use buy yam, all those other stuff so they go use in preparation for the wedding. They say while the wedding they postponed, so the guardians of the girl stated say they they ready to buy some things needed for the ceremony and that they no get back account where they go use deposit the money. So their demands now waiting made them the demand for the new naira note. One of the family members he said we took money to the family of the girl we want to marry you. They called me on Sunday to come and take the old currency back pending when we have the new naira notes. They said they don't have anywhere to change the old notes, so I want to take the money to the bank pending the time when we will get the new notes.
But I just think that day it don't be like me. I not like give you on one hand I don't want to blame the family. On the second hand I go blame them. Why? Because end of the deadline that they come, the naira note never there everywhere. So whenever they collect that kind of money, now the reason I feel spend this money before the deadline, and even though say I go back, I go see new note exchanger for. But then again, this is not bride price for God's sake. This will not be normal business. Now bride price. I don't know how much they charge.
Undisclosed amounts.
So certainly not get one past 200,000. You not get one past 100,000 or even 50,000, depending on the cultures and different bride price here. So now money when we say. if you not be greed, they worry you. If not, bride price not be waiting when you stay safe or do something. You go spend down within these few days when it remain. Can't they say me person return now? I know it doesn't make sense now. It's very sensitive.
And they say they don't get bank account.
Now make they spend down.
They don't get bank account.
Make they spend
They
down.
won't go put the money into.
Make they spend down. Make they go give POS person. Make deposit and
okay.
They don't fit go. They don't fit go bank exchange notes.
Now they talk.
They don't get
the
time
thing
to go bank.
You say what?
The money
they look for excuse for them. They don't get time to go bank.
They don't get time to go bank. Wow.
Yeah. All right, now here we want to go because 11:30 already na time for tickling news. Another bus go shele tomorrow.
Happy traffic day to Lagosians.
To First Voice too.
For traffic. God doing happy traffic day. Well done.
Today on top the original NaijaFM 102.7. We radio.